Anchor Tech. In Anchor Tech, we got Href and also image. So for this, I have to go the uh, local disk C, then web learn. So here I take some picture. Here I take some picture. Okay, here I take some picture. So how can I add picture and also the link? Okay, just wait and see. Okay, so this is the code, the previous code. So now I add the anchor tag and also image stick. So now I add here image stick. IMGE image. Okay, so in the right down, now I write img. So here I give some picture from the online. Okay, so I go to the online, then I take some picture. PIC picture. Okay, suppose that I take this one. Okay, this one I take. So this one, Control C, I go to there. Okay, Control S. After that I go to the website. So if I go to the website, I open this one. So the picture came. Actually I take the picture from here. This is the link, online link. Okay, so this picture I take from the online. So now I take another picture. IMG. I take another picture from the local disk, I mean from my PC. So suppose that before I write some picture name and the JPG file, I make this one. So before I have to go to the view, then make it large. So now if I go there, I write the image Jubaer. Jubaer. I take Jubaer 4 here. Okay, Control S. If I go to the website, now I give the recovery website recovery, then come this one. Okay, so if I take, I'm in Jubaer 2. Okay, Control S. After that I go to the website, then I give this one. This picture also came here. If I add another one, IMG, here I write Jubaer dot here I take Jubaer 1. Okay, JPG. Control S. Then I go to the website, then refresh. Okay, here came another picture. So the picture is done. So now I write the anchor tag here. Anchor tag, the short form of anchor A. Here I write anchor tag here. So suppose that okay, no problem. This one I take from here. Okay, I write the anchor tag here. So here I give the link, some link. So now I go to the website. After that I take some link. Okay, so suppose that I take my YouTube channel link. I have to go my profile link, then copy from there. Okay, so I copy my profile link from here. After that I put here, then here I write welcome to my YouTube channel, CHALL channel. Okay, Control S. Then I go to the website. This is my website. Refresh. I think you got the one link, welcome to my YouTube channel. Suppose that if I click or I make the another link here, this one going to my channel. Okay, this is my YouTube link. If you add any link for your in your website, you need to use the anchor tag. Okay, so suppose that I add here I add here my Facebook link. Okay, anchor tag. So I have to go my Facebook account. Okay, Facebook account. Then I take my profile link from my Facebook. Okay, so this is my Facebook profile link. I copy from there. Then I go to okay, then welcome to my Facebook. Okay, then I control S. Then I go to the my website. Then I refresh this one. Then I got one link, welcome to my Facebook. Okay, so this one going to my Facebook account. See here, they're going to Facebook account. So if that I open another tab, it's showing the Facebook. Okay, so in anchor tech I already showing you, one is the link up Facebook link, and one is the YouTube link. One is the Facebook link here, one is the YouTube link, and how to add picture in your PC in your website. So this one I take from online, this one I take from my PC, this one also. So that was my video. So next I'll make the another video, the purpose regarding list. Okay, so thank you so much. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I wanna request to you, please subscribe to my channel and share my